Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. In the previous videos, as in this video as well, we're checking out a software called Zebracat. Zebracat is an AI-powered tool used to create videos. You can do that a bunch of different ways. You can do it with prompts, you can do it with URLs, you can do it with avatars, you can design your own avatars, you can clone your voice if you want to use it in different videos. You can do a bunch of different stuff in this software, and we have been checking out some of these different functionalities in the previous videos on the channel. If you haven't checked them out, I really invite you to go there, subscribe, check them out so you can get up to speed and get familiarized with how Zebracat works and what the software is. I am using one of the paid plans. If you want to use one of them as well, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to get credits and get the most out of the software. And on this video, we're going to be checking out how to create a video based on a script. Then we're going to adjust the visuals and then create a video for you to use in different projects. As always, I'm going to turn my camera off so you can see my screen better, and I'll see you guys in the end. So this is Zebracat's homepage. These are some of the projects that we have created in the past. As I was telling you, you can create videos a bunch of different ways. You can do it with avatars, you can do it with blog posts, you can translate videos, you can design your own avatars, you can clone your voice, you can use templates, you can create brand kits for you to have, for example, logos and different colors on your videos that are associated to a brand. And on this video, we're going to go once again to the create video part. We have been checking out this tool, the text to video tool, the URL to video as well. But now we're going to go to the script to video part. Right here, you can write the script that is going to be spoken on the final video. You can do it yourself, or once again, you can use an AI to create it as well, such as ChatGPT. So I asked ChatGPT to create a script about horses and their life cycle. I can then copy this script and paste it on this part of the software. You have up to 6,000 characters that you can use. And once you input the script, the software is going to approximate the video length of your project. Right now it's 83 seconds. Once you have uploaded your script, you can click on next step. Then you're taken to this part in which you can select the video type that you want to create. You can have moving images such as these ones. You can have video. You can have AI avatars and AI images. You can just use stock footage for your video to look something like this. You can have just avatars talking in your video, or you can have avatars and stock video. We have been checking out most of this. For this video, I'm just going to go to stock footage video and click on next step. You can here select the video ratio, 9:16, 1:1, or 16:9. You can select the voice that you want to use. In the previous video, we were cloning my voice, so I'm going to use that one once again. You can turn on or off the captions and the voiceover. I always leave them on because I think it's more accessible to more people. Then you can turn on or off the music. I always leave it on as well. And you can change the way in which the mood of the video is going to be. Let's say we want a playful video. And right here on the bottom, you can create a brand kit for you to include on your final video, but we haven't created one as of now. You could include, for example, a logo or some specific colors that match your brand. Then you can click on generate video, and then the software is going to take a couple of seconds to create a video based on our input. We're then taken to the editor part of the video where we have a timeline at the bottom. We have the captions right here on the top that we can edit any way that we wanted to. But as you see, creating a video based on a script is really easy. The software automatically chooses the media that is being shown as the script is being read. If you want to edit the caption, you just click on that part. You can delete any word and change it. You have the voiceover that right now is my voice. You can change it as always. You can go to the library and select from a bunch of different voices right here. You can add text if you want to emphasize something in the video. You can filter the colors of the videos if you want it to be, for example, grayscale or sepia or natural or warm or cold or whatever. You can change the media if you go to specific scenes. If you click on the media, you can search throughout the whole stock library. If you can't find the specific media that you want, you can generate it using AI with all these other different visual styles, or you could upload your own footage and the software can create it for you. Each specific scene has the description of the media that is being shown. This one, for example, is people riding horses on a horse trail. This scene number 2. Scene number 1 says horses running freely in open fields, and so on. And as you see, they match what is being said on the script. The software does a very good job at understanding the highlights of the script and at creating a concise video using the script that you input. This is a very cool way of automating the video creation process. You can also add elements such as emojis or GIFs, or you could change the music as well. If you click on it, you can select from all these different categories and you can change the music. Once everything's looking like you want it to, you can just click on export, select the video resolution and compress quality. I'm going to leave it in 180p and compression quality medium, and then you can click on prepare video for download. The software is then going to take a couple of minutes processing the video for you to see. This is the longest video that we have created with the software. It's 1 minute and 30 seconds long. And once it is done, I'm going to show it to you. So let's check out what the software created.
Horses have lived alongside humans for thousands of years. From wild plains to peaceful farms, they've been our partners in work, sport, and exploration. But how does a horse's life actually unfold? It begins with a foal, a baby horse born after about 11 months of pregnancy. Within minutes of birth, the foal stands up and takes its first steps. For the next 6 months, it drinks its mother's milk and learns to walk, run, and play. When it starts eating grass and grains, it's called a weanling. After the first year, the horse becomes a yearling. This is the energetic teenage stage, full of curiosity and growth. Yearlings begin to develop their personalities, form friendships within the herd, and get used to being handled by people. By 4 or 5 years old, the horse reaches adulthood. Adult horses can take on many roles: racing, farming, jumping, trail riding, or simply living free in open fields. They are known for their strength, intelligence, and loyalty. As time passes, horses enter their senior years, usually around age 15 to 20. Older horses move more slowly and need softer food and special care, but they often remain calm, gentle, and deeply bonded with their caretakers. From the first breath of a newborn foal to the wisdom of an old horse, every stage of a horse's life tells a story of growth, strength, and companionship. The life cycle of a horse is a journey that mirrors nature's beauty and resilience.
So this is the video that the software created with the script that we inputted. As you see, automating video editing using this tool is really easy. You can upload a script that you yourself have created, or you can copy it from another source as well, and the editing is all done via the software. You can play around and change the media, or change the voice, or change some of the parts of the video, but the heavy lifting is done by the software, so you can automate this process and create videos that way. Just as a reminder, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below if you guys want to use some credits on this software. Once again, I really invite you to go to the channel, subscribe, and check out the videos that we have created about this software, and the ones that we are going to create after this one as well. As always, my name is Santiago. I'm very glad that you saw this video, and without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.